Looking for the perfect blend of style, location, and modern comfort? Welcome to your next home on Williamson Creek Rd, just 10 minutes from downtown Brevard, Pisgah National Forest, and the new Ecusta Trail. This brand new construction is all about light, openness, and clean, modern design. Soaring 9-foot ceilings and luxury vinyl plank flooring give the space a bright, airy feel from the moment you step inside. The kitchen is a showstopper. White cabinetry, sleek two-tone counters, stainless steel appliances, and a striking stainless farmhouse sink. Plus, a large pantry and cozy coffee nook make mornings something to look forward to. Enjoy the privacy of a split-bedroom layout and unwind in a spa-like master suite. You'll love the oversized shower with built-in bench, a dual vanity, and thoughtful touches throughout. Taking the serene views from your spacious front porch, bring a couple rocking chairs for peaceful outdoor living. This home blends comfort, style, and convenience in one of Western North Carolina's most desirable areas. Don't miss your chance to see it. Call your agent today to request a private tour.